And welcome to Food Friday. This week we are going to be making rotisserie chicken bell peppered nachos. This is a wonderful recipe. It is a full lean and green meal, as well as if you're just eating healthy, a great way to have your nachos and not worry about all the extra calories. So this week we are going to be using a few ingredients, which include the rotisserie chicken, the bell peppers, I chose the red ones, mozzarella cheese, taco seasoning, and some salsa. So those are the ingredients that we are going to use today. You're also going to want to get your food scale out if you have one. I have mine out ready to go. And if you're putting a plate on the top of it, make sure you reset the measurement with the plate included. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to measure out the right amount of the rotisserie chicken, and then I'm going to add it to a pan with the seasoning and a little bit of the salsa. So for one serving we would need 5 ounces of the chicken, but I'm going to be making 3 servings, so I need 15 ounces. Okay, as you can tell, 15 ounces is quite a bit of chicken. So we're going to add this to the pan, and I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of the salsa as well as 1 seasoning packet of the taco seasoning. As I'm getting ready to do that, I'm also going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. After we get everything in the skillet, we're just going to mix it up really well and make sure that it's mixed all the way through all of the chicken. I have it on low heat because I just want it to stay warm while we are making this, because the chicken of course is already completely cooked through. Now on to the next step, and that is washing the peppers, and then we're going to slice them into thin strips. If you do not have parchment paper to put on your pan, that is absolutely fine. Just spray the pan so that it doesn't stick, and use whatever pan that you do have. The last thing we're going to do in this recipe is we're going to spread the chicken evenly over the bell peppers, and then we're going to add some cheese to the top. We'll put it in the oven and we'll wait about 10 to 15 minutes for the cheese to completely melt and for the peppers to soften up a little bit. And there you go. That is our rotisserie chicken bell peppered nachos. It is such a healthy recipe that no matter if you are on plan or you're just trying to eat healthy or feed your family a healthy meal, this is a great recipe. It is super easy. You just pick up a rotisserie chicken on your way home and some peppers and cheese, and really it is that easy. I hope that you try the recipe, and I hope to hear some feedback on how you enjoyed it. Remember, you can find all of the recipes at my YouTube page, Total Health, and I hope that you like it and share it and subscribe. So I hope you have a great weekend, and I will talk to you next week. Thank you.